I'm Maslin Munga Petro from Kakuma Refugee Camp, a CEO and founder of Farming and Health Education. I'm here at 7th Advanced Permaculture as a facilitator. I thanks for getting this small opportunity of giving out the small knowledge and skill that I have to others. Of course, I was teaching, but I'm glad that I got and get many things that I never faced before. Surely, I interact well with student, and the student was more focused and understand what we are giving out. So surely I also learn how are we going to deal with nature as to conserve, preserve the natural trees or indigenous trees that you can find in the your system. Maybe you want to design a system and there is some indigenous trees that are around. So instead of cutting them, we are now going to integrate and plant other more crops so that we can look for diversity and intensification of the crops inside the system. So there are new things that I come to discover, and it's more impressive and helpful for me.
My name is Caroline Ambunda. I came from Kakamega and I'm here as a facilitator. And this is Kajulu Hills Eco Village, Kisumu City. And we visited this place, and as we can see, all the principles of Billy Mollison have been applied. Looking at the edges here, you see the principle of edge effect. Diversity has also been applied. We can see different kinds of plants here. We can also see that intensive principle also has been applied because the system is intense. You go everywhere, you see there's a variety the variety of species. You can name them. There are so many others of different types. So all the principles have been applied here. Looking there, you can see the octagonous house. And in that house, the way it was explained, they were just following the principle of natural forces, where you need not to fight with nature, but just work with it. So he just used what was here to construct that house.
Hello, my name is Andronico Tiano, and I'm here at Jefferson Ecospheres, Karabondi, which is a demonstration and a learning site for permaculture, and we are also now doing syntropic agroforestry. I am one of the facilitators, senior facilitators. We have been conducting training here. This is the 7th Advanced Permaculture Design course, and the environment around the Jefferson Ecosphere is the best learning opportunity you can get, because practically what you learn in class you can associate, you can see how things happen, you can see how the principles work, you can see how the principles are interconnected, from the energy principles down to the multifunctionality principles, to the diversity, to the intensity, to positivity, to proximity. Basically all the principles, like here where we're sitting is a natural class, and you can see it's used as a class and also a lot of plants are grown around it. It's also used as a nursery. So basically that's it, and we welcome you. We do courses each July, March and November, and we would welcome you to join us. The next one is on July 10th. Just here at Karabondi, and also we have another demonstration site in Kisumu City Permaculture Academy in Kajulu Hills. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Jefferson's Permaculture Ecospheres, the Center for Advanced Permaculture Design Course Academy. And here we train people from all over Africa, but we are also targeting people from across Africa, from all countries in Africa and also globally. So here we have about 36 different ecosystems, so we use the ecosystems to train our students. So now this classroom is also one of the most intense and sophisticated ecosystem with more than 1,000 species of different plants, and it has foodstuffs, it has flowers, it has different designs. And also now we have tried to introduce the pot irrigation system within the classroom. And we are also using it as a demonstration site to train on urban permaculture using plastic containers, old basins, tires, plastics, and everything else. So what we do is that we focus on 18 principles of mass regeneration, original 18 principles of mass regeneration. And our ultimate goal is to restore lost indigenous ecosystems for food production. And this one, we do this by focusing on 18 natural principles as written by Bill Mollison. We have also developed a syntropic agroforestry farm, which we call Steve Tolo Indigenous Syntropic Agroforestry Farm, to reach out to the communities, members. And we have another very, very extensive system at Kajulu Hills Eco Villages, which is also the host of Kisumu City Permaculture Academy, which runs the trainings at Jefferson's Permaculture Ecospheres. So we take our students to Kajulu Hills Eco Villages, we take them to Steve Tolo Syntropic Agroforestry. At the end of the day, the students learn how to make indigenous ecosystems and also intensive ecosystems and extensive ecosystems. And it is always our pride that most of our students, after living here, they start developing and implementing their permaculture projects, which they develop when they're here. And us as an institution, our main objective is to mentor them. So we help them develop projects, and then we continue mentoring them. So as we mentor them, we have created remote mentorship mechanisms. Like we have East African permaculture practitioners for all our graduates and our friends, which has more than 80 members. And then you also have Telepermaculture Africa, which covers the whole of Africa in permaculture matters. And now we are in the process of forming the African Permaculture Council, which hopefully will help to appraise and regulate permaculture activities across Africa.